Today we will learn about one of the most important topic of class 11, that is frame of reference. Before starting the lesson we will first remember about Max Planck. He said, when you change the way you look at things, the things looks at change. So a description of an event is entirely depends on the perspective the event is being observed from. Now we will discuss about a figure. The figure the figure on shows a plane is flying on the sky towards right with a velocity 250 km per hour and a car moving towards left with a velocity 50 meter per second. A man standing in the ground will see the plane velocity 250 meter per second towards right and the car velocity 50 meter per second towards left. Case 2. When the person observing from the running car, he or she will see that the plane moving right. Now the velocity 250 plus 50 meter per second, that is 300 meter per second. But the car is in rest with respect to him. Case 3. When the person will observe from the plane, he or she will feel the plane is in a stationary position and the car is moving towards left with a velocity 250 plus 50 meter per second, that is 300 meter per second towards left. This means that there are different interpretation of any single event and each will be mathematically true from their own perspective. Yet in the end the data can disagree with one another. Now, what is frame of reference? A frame of reference consists of an abstract coordinate system and the set of physical reference points that uniquely fix the coordinate system and standardize measurement within the frame. For n dimension, n plus 1 reference point are sufficient to fully define a reference frame. Frames of reference are particularly important when describing an object displacement. Displacement is a change of position of an object relative to its reference frame. The motion of different bodies can be conveniently described if we imagine a coordinate system attached to a rigid body, and the position of different bodies in space can be described with respect to it. Then such a coordinate system is called frame of reference. In general, we will use the frame of reference of the earth for an objective frame of reference for things happening upon earth's surface. The motion of the vehicle, which we can even specify with greater precision with GPS coordinate of our geographical coordinate system. Within the frame of reference, we set up a coordinate system which is used to measure the position of an object and choose our origin accordingly. In general, three coordinate systems are used: rectangular or Cartesian coordinate system, spherical or polar coordinate system, and cylindrical coordinate system. Now, rectangular or Cartesian coordinate system. To analyze the motion of a body, first we need to find the location of the body at a certain instant of time. To do this, we have three coordinate system. The system of x, y and z, which are perpendicular to each other, are used to mark the position of an object in a three-dimensional space. Thus the Cartesian coordinate allow one to specify the location of a point in three dimension are a triplet of number x, y and z. The three number or coordinate specify the signed distance from the origin along the x, y and z axis respectively. Now, spherical or polar coordinate system. A spherical coordinate system is a coordinate system for three-dimensional space where the position of a point is specified by 3 numbers the radial distance of the point R from fixed origin, its polar angle theta measured from a fixed zenith direction of that plane, and the azimuthal angle phi of its orthogonal projection. It is considered as three-dimensional variation of the polar coordinate system. The polar coordinate system is a two-dimensional coordinate system in which each point on a plane is determined by distance from a reference point and angle from reference direction. Now, conversion of Cartesian coordinate system to polar coordinate system. X can be represented as x is equal to r cos theta, y can be represented as y is equal to r sin theta. So, squaring and adding both sides, we can find r is equal to root over of x square plus y square and theta is equal to tan inverse of y by x. Cylindrical coordinate system. Cylindrical coordinate system is a three-dimensional coordinate system that specifies position by the distance from a chosen reference axis. The origin of the system is the point where all three coordinates can be 0. It is defined by rho, phi and z. For class 11 and 12, Cartesian and spherical or polar coordinate system is very much important, but cylindrical coordinate system is not too much important for this level. Now, finally, thank you.